What is up, everybody, man? You already should know how it goes. Your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you don't know already, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. So listen, y'all, I'm a little sick. If I'm talking a little low, that's the reason why. I am in the process actually of getting a new space, you know what I mean, new space, and I'm so excited about it because I want to be able to bring you guys more content consistently, even though, you know, I've been on a roll. I ain't gonna lie, I've been on a roll. I haven't disappeared for weeks, you know, and that's pretty good. But we always got to do better, strive to be 1% better. As you guys know, that's my motto. But today we're gonna get into the meat and potatoes of the video. We're talking about drop shipping. All right, so a lot of people, and I mean a lot of people, they are asking me in the DMs about drop shipping, and honestly, when it comes to me flipping electronics, and it comes to heatherconnect.com, which is my wholesale website where you can buy items wholesale and you can actually sell them on any selling platform that you want. So Amazon, MERCARI, eBay, whatever you want to sell, you can sell. You get them from me. It ships in the US of A, and it's only 2-day shipping, which means if you order something from me, you'll be able to get it within 2 days, and you can sell it on any platform. I don't tell you guys that I'm trying to get you rich. I don't tell you I'm trying to make you $1 million. Honestly, it's all about the work that you put in. It's all about what you want to do and what you want to get out of it. And that's the most important thing. But it seems as if nowadays we are all looking for fast ways to make money. And guys, there's no fast way to make money efficiently, okay? Again, I say this, no way to make money fast efficiently. Now, there's ways to make money fast and quick in a hurry and come with a lot of, how can I put this? There's a way to make fast money, but eventually you're gonna collide. You're gonna collide with a problem that is going to hinder you. And these problems most of the time are not worth it. So I want you guys to stay smart, stay patient, stay motivated, but also realize that doing it the right way is the best way, because I did not always do it the right way. Now, when it comes to drop shipping, the reason why I do not recommend drop shipping, okay, because a lot of people think that it's worth it. You'll see videos on YouTube telling you to drop ship and new drop shipping techniques and new apps that you can buy and purchase that'll help you go ahead and flip from products from Walmart to put them in your Amazon, vice versa. Listen, let me let y'all know something, right? You can easily go on eBay right now, okay, and post a heater, okay, that you found on Walmart, post it for $30 or $20, right? Then once you post that heater on your Amazon or on your eBay or whatever from Walmart, you will see literally that it's so saturated and so many people are trying to post these heaters because they understand that people don't do their research. Guys, consumers nowadays are lazy, okay? They do not want to find the best price. They want to come across the best price, and it's two different things. So a lot of people are not searching for the best deals. Instead, they're searching for convenience. They're searching for Amazon Prime. They're searching for credibility. They're searching for ease of use. So it's so easy for us to think that just drop shipping is going to just work like that, but it's not, okay? So one thing about drop shipping is this. Drop shipping takes a long time for you to get it right. And what I mean by that is if you want a seamless business where there's no turbulence and there's no discrepancies, or I can't say no, because even with businesses that don't drop ship, there's turbulence, but there's little to no turbulence that you can't control. Drop shipping is something that is not in your control. Drop shipping essentially is you being the middleman for demand. Prime example, I want ketchup, right? I want ketchup. I'm the consumer. I want ketchup. You are then the middleman who's going to find somebody that sells ketchup, and you are then going to have me pay you thinking you have the ketchup, when in real reality, the ketchup is somewhere in China. So I pay you for the ketchup, then I gotta wait 2 to 3 weeks for the ketchup to come to my house, but I thought it was only gonna take 2 days. I can go ahead and get ketchup on Walmart, or I can go ahead and go to the corner store and get ketchup. So it's like, you gotta understand, it's all about ease of use. It's all about understanding how we can help these consumers having the best customer service, because a lot of people really are big on your brand, okay? They're big on what brand you represent. They're big on brand credibility. They're big on you having some type of credentials that show that you're going to take care of them, because customers are done dealing with a whole bunch of discrepancies or my order's not here. And I'm going to be quite frank, you as a buyer, you should be done with it as well. You should be done with it as well. Drop shipping is not something that we're going to be able to capitalize off of efficiently, okay? So yes, you do have a lot of videos online that are telling you that drop shipping is the way to go in 2023. Listen to your man, all right? Because you know I keep it 100. You feel me? I keep it 100. If it was something that was worth it, trust me, I would be doing it. But it's not, because it comes to a halt when you start to realize you got a whole bunch of backed up orders because you're not able to fulfill them. Or let's just say, hey, Brandon, you're wrong. You're not saying the right thing, because you can get the products in the US of A. You don't have to get them from China. You can get them in the USA. All right, perfect, right? Let's just say we come across one of these big heads that say, all right, listen, I have a master class, and I have this. Everybody has master class nowadays, okay? Everybody has classes, everybody has subscriptions, everybody, okay? That's not nothing that I think is going to change. It's something that's just going to keep amplifying, right? Everybody wants to make a residual, because people are starting to really understand that residual is real income, but that's a whole nother video, okay? But listen to this. No matter what someone tells you, I want you to understand, if you do go the route to where you're even posting on Facebook Marketplace and you're trying to get a product from Amazon, eBay, or Walmart, or Target, you can find a heater. We're going to stick with the heater idea. You can find a heater on Walmart, a heater on Target, right? So if you look at the terms and conditions, you're able to send these products with a gift receipt, right? And also, you can price match through all of these websites. We're talking about Amazon. We're talking about Walmart. We're talking about Target. We're talking about Best Buy. They price match. So if you find the same heater at Walmart for $49, but they're out of stock, and then you go to Target and you see the same heater and it's in stock, you can actually get that heater online for the same price, listed on Facebook Marketplace, and then sell it, right? And then get the gift receipt, and then instead of shipping it to your house, you're shipping it to the consumer. But here's where the problem goes, right? The problem goes is what happens when the heater does not come, or what happens when they say the heater did not come, or what happens when you sit there and you're thinking that you're going to ship it to them, but it comes in a Walmart box, even though a lot of people say, oh, people ship things in a whole bunch of boxes. A lot of people are not stupid. Some are, not a lot of people, okay? I just like to think of that. That's my motto. Some people are, not a lot of people. I'd rather do good business than bad business. I'd rather maintain the integrity of my business, of my brand, and try to build it up the right way than sit there and do drop shipping. Drop shipping is something that may last for about 6 months, but it's going to end up going down. I want you to look at all of these businesses that you may know, that you may see. I want you to look up a drop shipping business, right? Look it up. I guarantee you it's not going to last longer than a year, because they are so reliant on them having to rely on suppliers to supply the demand, but them not actually put up the money and invest in that business and get the product on hand so that they can have the best customer service. So guys, drop shipping is not it in 2023. I'm going to tell you, I know you probably thought that I was about to tell you all the reasons why, but it's not. All right, but I can tell you something that is. All right, I am a main culprit of doing business the wrong way in the past, right? Whether it's rushing, whether it's doing something I had no business doing, whether it's me sitting there following somebody and not staying true to myself. I have done so much bad business. As I grew, I started to understand that the right way to really build is doing it right. Look at me this year. I'm trying to start something internally that is going to keep me organized externally. I am trying to lower bills to maximize profit. Sometimes we have to tear down ourselves to build a better foundation so that we can withhold and withstand everything that comes our way. So I want you guys to understand the importance of doing great business. Now, if you want to do drop shipping, that's up to you. If you feel like drop shipping is great, that's your prerogative, and that is fine. This is all my opinion. But what I will tell you is that doing good business is the best way to stay in business, because people will never forget you. People will always want to support you. You'll always have some way, some type of income flow. Okay, no matter what is taken from me, I know I will always have some type of income, some type of ability, some type of making money because of me doing good business, looking out for people. Now, I'm not saying y'all know. If you new to the channel, you don't know. But if you in this channel and you been in this channel, I don't play about the money though. I don't play about the money. Pay me my bread. Pay me my money. But at the same time, I'm still gonna make sure that I have the best customer service possible for you. And if I mess up, or any of my reps mess up, or anything messes up, I got you. Got your back like a broad strap. I want you guys to know doing business is right. Okay, that's the only right way. All right, so if you really want to know what way to go in 2023 and how to drop ship and do all of that, go ahead and look at all the videos. Go ahead and look at all the nice thumbnails and all the videos. Go ahead, and I want you to go and try it. I want you to go ahead and open up a Shopify store. I want you to go ahead and install that little app into your Chrome browser, and I want you to sit there and try to drop ship. And I want you to see, okay, you may make some money, you may ship one product, 2 products, maybe 3, maybe 1,000, but I want you to see how much of a headache it is when you have to sit there and rely on somebody to ship something to somebody else that you don't even have no control in, and they complaining on you. They complaining to you. They making your brand look bad, and you don't even got the product in your hand. You don't even know where the product at. You sitting here talking about, oh, the product's on its way. You're sitting there talking about a bus crashed into the mail truck, and then the mail truck couldn't deliver the package because this, that, and the third, and it's really because you did not have control of this at all, okay? You didn't have control of it from the rip, and I just feel as though with business, I want to have the maximum control when it comes to my brand, because I know that I am the face. I know that I am the front line. I don't want to rely on any manufacturer to sit there and ship anything, or have the package ready, or have the right delivery date, right address. It's so many things that I could tell you guys that have went wrong with that, and drop shipping is something that I think is it's a up and down. Like I said, it's short term, go ahead and do it. You know what I mean? Cash out, go ahead. But when it comes to your sanity, it ain't worth it. It ain't worth it, okay? Health is wealth, okay? And stress is not good for our bodies. It's not good for our mentals. It's not good for our productivity. So we have to do things the right way, because it eliminates the stress. When you do it the wrong way, trust me, it amplifies the stress, and you have to deal with it daily. So guys, that is it, man. That is all I have to say about my rant, and I hope that you guys have a good one, man. You already should know how it goes. It's your boy, be back with another video. You know I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Make that money work for you. Don't work for the money. Get 1% better every single day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.